So I work in my kitchen. So this is where all the magic happens. And because it's in my kitchen, it is pretty much the central focal point in my entire 500 square foot apartment, because this area is visible from my bedroom and from my living room, which is right behind me. And so it is important that I have everything that's accessible to me for my work here in the kitchen, but I also don't want you to know that. I want it to be hidden from you because it can look very messy. And so, and one of my biggest pet peeves is unsightly cords. And it's hard to escape that when you work with your laptop and you print from your printer. So one of my great finds was this box I found to help manage all of my cords. And I love it. So we're gonna scoot down here and I'll show you where I hide this. This is, I did not set this up very well. Hi, I'm ready for you now. So we were talking about cord management and how my biggest pet peeve is unsightly cords. So here's my solution for that. I found this box made by a company called YAMAZAKI, and I love how I can just hide all of my ugly cords away from your eyes, even though this is where I do all of my work and I do need to have all the things I need technology-wise accessible. It is all inside this little box right here. It's like the Pandora box where all the things you don't want stays inside. So as you can see, this is connected to my printer, which is why my printer is right here. And this box just hides everything right there. And I will unplug it for you to show you why this container is super flexible for whatever your needs are based on your living situation. But they have an opening on one end and the other end, so you can have cords coming out from both ends, and also even an area right here in case that is a better situation for you, whether it's on your desk or behind your couch or on the floor or underneath your kitchen island. And then here that is, and that's what I am hiding. So this is a great solution for hiding all of the visual noise involved with technology. So your laptop cords, your cell phone cords, or your internet cables, or your printer cables. It's been a great solution for me because I can keep everything centralized in my kitchen but hidden away so there's no visual noise for you to see. Hi, thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun shooting this for you guys. I love sharing ideas on how to live a big life in a small space, especially a rental. If you like what you see, subscribe. Oh, I just dropped the mic. Larry just dropped the mic.